a charm. You look fantastic.
Let's take some pictures.
Lord, Candace!
I've been saving that for you.
Farted right into my butthole. It's like a fart transplant.
Gosh, yeah, I'm sorry about those contacts again. I thought Anaconda was a brand name.
No, I like it. This is a top shelf disguise. I look like if Jesus and the cat had a baby.
Yeah, you do kind of.
Yeah, which is a nice thought, too, you know?
Yes. Well, he made cats, so.
Made cats. I don't know why you wouldn't have a half Jesus, half cat around.
Guess this is hasta la muerte. Remember to call that payphone every Tuesday and Thursday. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Are they irritating your eyes or getting all cloudy?
I think that has everything to do with my heart rather than my eyes, Billy.
Okay. Thanks. You're a good kisser.
Am I?
Yeah, you actually are.
Well, there'll be a lot more of that down in Mexico, okay? One, 4, 3, California.
1, 4, 3.
Your attention, please. Smoking is not permitted in airport designated areas.
How we doing?
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
Wow, look at this. That wouldn't even begin to cover mine. You know, something I learned about thongs the real hard way. This little string can be kind of like a freight train transporting bacteria from your who now down to your what now. All aboard, next stop, Yeast Infection City.
I don't want to get off there.
And don't get me started on the chafing. But just in case, I always carry a good feminine cream. This one's mine. It's prescription.
Oh, that's a big tube.
It doesn't take your vag away, just the horrendous itch.
Thank you. I'll be sure to pack some with me.
It's you.
Candace.
You're David's mistress from work. He had a picture of you in his hope chest.
That's not me. No, I've never.
Is everything okay?
No! Not the graduate! No! They don't make it anymore! Oh! No! You're crazy!
Will the parents of Jocelyn go back, please, so for the lost and family?